Hello everybody, Steve here, and today we have another lock from our little master lock from our little collection here, and this time we're going to take a look at this guy. This is the master lock celebrating 100 years limited edition, and it says up in the corner 1921D. And the interesting thing here is it has a security level rating of 9 out of 10. So it is kind of a nice little lock, weather resistant. There's the back. And the one thing that's noticeable is it basically looks the same as the 911 I have here. So kind of neat, but anyway, I have not taken the keys out of the package. I haven't even looked at them or anything. I didn't even really look at them at all, so I haven't taken the keys out. And I have opened it up a couple times, but I just haven't even taken it out of the package or taken it off the packaging yet. But because I figured, well, I might as well show it off with the packaging all at the same time. So anyway, let's take a look at this. Here's the dust cover. So basically a lot like the 911, it has the dust cover that comes out. I feel like I need to have a pry bar to get this dust cover open. And there is the keyway. Get that up right. And into focus. There's the keyway. And just like the 911, it should be guttable. So we could gut it, but I'm just gonna pick it today. I'm not gonna gut it. Anyway. So let's get a close up of this. I haven't taken the key out, so I guess I can't really take the key, open it up to show that it's working, but we'll do what we'll do. It don't matter, do it? So we'll just use our little Z-bar wrench in the bottom of the keyway. See how loose that is. That core is pretty loose in there. And then we'll use our little Jimmy Long's short flat hook. And we'll just start at the beginning, I believe. I can't remember. I believe it's probably like this one. So 5-pin lock. Let's start at pin number 1. And let's see, come on, pin 1. Okay, got to click out of that. It had some core movement there too, so it probably has some spools and stuff in it like our 911 has. Pin 2, nice click there. A little core movement. Some pin 3. Okay, come on, little back. Pin 3, okay. Pin 4, get under that. There we go. So obviously this felt like it has all spools like our 911 does. So if I open that up, I'm sure that's what I would see. So come on. Don't want to turn it too far. Now it's being stubborn, doesn't want to shackle, doesn't want to come out. I had that problem earlier. I got it open first time I got it open and it wouldn't come out, so then I picked it again And it took a little bit to get it to pull out. Jeez. What the deal? What the flip, Skip? See how that just does not want to come out. Even even though that's picked all the way open. Can't turn that core anymore. Locked in there. There we go. Finally. Golly. There we go. Nice little... That's the first time I've actually taken it off the packaging. But anyway. Here we go. Our nice little master lock. 100-year celebration lock. It's a 1921D. Picked open. We didn't even look at the key. And so I don't know. Can you consider that an out of the package pick? But I don't know. I've opened it. Honestly, I've opened it twice before. So I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, there we have it. Lock that back up. There we go. That way I can struggle with it the next time I get it out. Put the dust cover back on. Anyway, so maybe someday I'll pull this back out and pick it open and gut it and everything. But right now we'll just do that. Have that picked open and stuff. And yeah, this security level 9 basically means it's full of spools. Which is exactly the way this other 911 was. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave some comments down below. Thank you for putting up with me struggling to pull that shack while this... Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Leave comments. Make sure you leave a like. And definitely subscribe. And have a wonderful day.